What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Labubu Elf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page of the top edge of the brow. Leaving a gap in the center. We'll start on the left. We're going to curve this down, go across, and then up. Let's line this up over on the right and go in the opposite direction and then pull that up. And then we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So starting over on the left side, we draw an oval, coming down, and just tuck that up underneath along the inside. Let's trace the eyes along the inside, just drawing a smaller oval, going all the way up. And then along the top of each eye, we'll draw a curve for highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then down. On the sides, bend the nose, coming down and then in towards the center. Let's go all the way towards the outside. We're going to draw that large smile. Starting from the left, bend this down, go across and pull that all the way up towards the top. Now on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's surround that bracket with a couple freckles. Now add a few in the center, just up above the nose. Now I'm going to line the bottom edge of the mouth with the teeth. We're starting in the center with the left side, bend this down and then up. Go back to the center, add one on the right side. Now I want to continue to add these teeth going up towards the corners of the mouth. So I'll start with the left. So we just added 4 on this side, let's add 4 more on the right. Let's go back to the center of the head. We're going to go all the way up towards the top. Let's draw a V, coming down and up. Let's continue to add that fur texture going around the head. Bend this down and in, go up and then out. Let's add another point. Bend this down, go up and then out towards the side. We'll add one more. Add a smaller one, going up and then out. Now I want to surround the face with an oval. Starting back on the left, cut this all the way around the mouth, come in towards the center. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Going around the mouth and then bend that back in. Along the top, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the hat, starting on the left. Bend this up above those points and then bend that back down. Now I'm going to add some more fur along the outside. Starting back on the left, bend this out and then down, and then pull that in with a short line. We're going to continue to add some more fur points going around the head. Let's add one more. Down and up. And then we'll finish off the bottom with another curve, coming across the bottom of the chin and then up. I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the hat. Let's start from this point. We're going to bend this up, curve this in. Now we're going to pull that up towards the center point, come down and out towards the right, and then bend that back down. Let's add a trim across the bottom with another curve. Let's place the ears in behind the hat. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this up and then out. Round out the top of the ear, come around, and then down towards the bottom. Now you want to trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that pointed collar. We're going to start right in the middle with a V. Going down and up. Now I'm going to work our way across the side and then up underneath the head. So we're going to add another point going out to the left and then up. I'm just going to mirror that on the right side. Let's add another point. Let's add one more going straight out and then angle that up underneath the head. Now we're going to come down and draw the side of the body. Starting on the left side, and leave a small gap underneath the collar and then close out the bottom with a curve. Let's step up, draw another curve for the top of the belt. And we leave a gap in the center, draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right of the buckle. And I'll trace the buckle along the inside. Let's add those points across the bottom. We'll start from the hip, angle this down and out, angle this up and in, come down and up on both sides. Now I'm going to add one more point in the center, coming down and up. Let's tuck the legs in underneath. Leaving a gap in the center. Starting on the left, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the heels. And you want to round out the bottom of the feet, going down and up. And then you want to curl the toe, going around and bending that in. Just curl this around and up towards the ankle. Bend this down and up towards the inside of the leg. Now we want to close out the leg with a curve aiming towards the hip. We're going to go up and then in underneath. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the ankles. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Now with the arm on the left, we're going to bend this down and then out. Round out the sleeve, coming around towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, going down and out. Curve the end. Now bend the arm coming in behind the side of the body. Let's add a trim across the wrist. We're going to add some points across the sleeve. From here, we're going to go out, in, out, and then in. Now on the left side, I'm going to layer a candy cane on top of the hand. So we're going to start from the wrist, goes up and then out, continue down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the cane, follow that angle line going up towards the top. Now it's going to round out the cane, come down, round out the end. Now it's going to work our way back towards the inside. Let's add some stripes across the cane, starting from the inside, just bending this across, all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the top of the wrist. We're going to add the thumb. We're going to go up and then down to create a point. Now add 3 small finger points along the outside. Now I'm going to go over towards the right and add that thumb, going up and then down. Then adding 3 fingers pointing out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Labubu Elf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.